to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild with a very lovesick duck. Hey, you want to get in at the chickens, but you're not, because that's being a bad boy. It's seriously disturbing how a duck can be so enamored with chickens. But then again, he was brought up with a chicken as a mum, and the love of his life was a big white chicken. Wasn't she? Hey, ducky man. Ooh, it doesn't look like Addy's eggs have hatched at all. Wonder what's going on here. Hello, Addy. Addy's not happy with me having a look at her nest. Keep going at it, Addy. You're a good girl. Good girl. Is that good girl, Addy? So I wonder what's going on here. So I definitely did see an X marks the spot the other day. Oh well, Addy, you know best. See you, honey. Well, it looks like it's been a false alarm with Addy. I don't think her babies have come through yet, even though, whoo, it's getting windy. Even though that I found one egg with a distinctive cross on it. So let's hope that that little one is okay. But if it's, I think it's been a few days, so I don't think that one was viable, which is a shame. Hey sweetheart, but I'm sure you're going to have lots and lots of babies there. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe and leave us a comment. And it'd be great to hear from other duck owners. Well, I don't like that word, owners. Duck carers. That's better. So I'd love to hear from some other Muscovy duck carers. So until then, stay wild about ducks, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.